Sweden's Luftvärnssystem 103, or LvS103, the Swedish designation for the US-made Patriot PAC-3 air defense system, stands as a pivotal element in the nation's defense strategy, providing robust protection against ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and aircraft. Acquired in 2018 and fully operational by 2022, the Patriot system has seen significant developments in recent years, particularly in 2023 and 2025, as Sweden aligns its capabilities with NATO requirements following its historic 2024 membership. With regional tensions heightened by Russia's aggression in Ukraine and the strategic importance of the Baltic Sea, Sweden's investment in the Patriot system underscores its commitment to safeguarding national and allied security. The Patriot system achieved initial operational capability in December 2021, marking a significant upgrade from Sweden's aging MIM-23 Hawk system. The acquisition, formalized in August 2018 for $3.2 billion, included 4 Patriot Configuration 3 Plus modernized fire units, each comprising AN/MPQ-65 radar sets, AN/MSQ-132 engagement control stations, M903 launching stations, and a mix of 100 Patriot M104E guidance-enhanced missile TBM and 200 Patriot Advanced Capability 3 missile segment enhancement interceptors. By December 2022, all 4 fire units were delivered, completing the initial phase ahead of schedule. A notable milestone occurred on February 6, 2023, when Sweden deployed the Patriot system around the port of Gothenburg, a critical maritime hub, in a readiness operation rather than a routine exercise. This deployment, prompted by the low but non-negligible risk of an armed attack amid Russia's invasion of Ukraine, demonstrated the system's operational readiness and its role in protecting strategic infrastructure. In 2025, the Patriot system remains fully integrated into Sweden's air defense network, supported by ongoing training and joint exercises with NATO allies to ensure peak performance. Recent enhancements to the Patriot system reflect Sweden's focus on sustaining and expanding its capabilities. In December 2022, the Swedish Defense Materiel Administration ordered additional PAC-3 MSE and GEM-T missiles to bolster the system's inventory, though the exact number was not disclosed. This followed the U.S. approval in 2018 for up to 300 missiles, suggesting the order aimed to replenish stocks or enhance capacity for prolonged engagements. The PAC-3 MSE interceptors, optimized for ballistic missile defense, and GEM-T missiles, designed for aircraft and cruise missiles, enable Sweden to counter a broad spectrum of threats, including Russia's Iskander ballistic missiles deployed in nearby Kaliningrad. The system incorporates the post-deployment Build 7 software update, which enhances radar search capabilities through digital signal processing, improving reliability and extending detection range by 30% compared to analog systems. Additionally, in 2019, Sweden procured 40 high-mobility trucks from Rheinmetall military vehicles to enhance the Patriot system's mobility, allowing rapid deployment across Sweden's diverse terrain. These upgrades ensure the system's effectiveness in dynamic threat environments. Sweden's 2024 NATO membership has significantly shaped the Patriot system's strategic role, aligning it with the alliance's integrated air and missile defense framework. The system's interoperability with NATO allies, particularly Germany and the Netherlands, which also operate Patriot systems, strengthens Sweden's contribution to collective defense in the Baltic Sea region, a critical choke point due to its proximity to Russia. Joint exercises, such as preparations for Exercise Ramstein Legacy 2022, with NATO's 10th Army Air and Missile Defense Command, have owned procedural interoperability, enabling seamless coordination in multinational operations. The Total Defense Bill 2025 to 2030, presented in October 2024, allocates over 170 billion SEK for military defense, including 25 billion SEK for opportune air defense material purchases between 2026 and 2028. While specific plans for additional Patriot fire units are absent, the bill suggests potential investments in missile replenishments or radar enhancements to meet NATO capability targets, reinforcing the system's role in Sweden's layered air defense strategy. The regional security environment, particularly Russia's actions in Ukraine and its military presence in the Baltic, underscores the Patriot system's importance. Positioned to counter high-speed ballistic missiles and low-altitude cruise missiles, the system protects key areas like Gotland and Stockholm, which are vital for Sweden's territorial integrity and NATO's eastern flank. The 2023 Gothenburg deployment highlighted its ability to secure critical infrastructure, such as ports handling 30% of Sweden's foreign trade. Sweden's defense spending, set to reach 2.4% of GDP in 2025 and 3.5% by 2030, with a 300 billion SEK loan-financed investment, supports the Patriot system's maintenance and potential upgrades. Reports from 2021 indicated interest in Israeli radars to complement the Patriot's AN/MPQ-65 radar, potentially enhancing early warning capabilities. But no confirmed purchases have emerged as of May 2025, suggesting reliance on existing systems like the Saab Giraffe 1X for short-range detection. Sweden's support for Ukraine further contextualizes its Patriot system strategy. In April 2024, Defense Minister Paul Johnson expressed openness to transferring Patriot systems to Ukraine, but prioritized financial aid and other air defense systems, such as the LvS103 and Tridon Mk2, to support Ukraine's immediate needs. As of May 2025, no Patriot transfers have been confirmed, likely due to Sweden's limited inventory of 4 fire units and its strategic prioritization of national and NATO obligations. The 40 billion SEK military aid package for Ukraine in 2025 includes air defense systems like the Giraffe 1X radar and LvS103, indicating Sweden's focus on donating shorter-range systems while preserving Patriot capabilities for domestic use. This approach allows Sweden to balance regional support with its own defense needs, particularly in the Baltic Sea, where the Patriot system serves as a deterrent against Russian threats. The Patriot system's technical advantages make it a cornerstone of Sweden's air defense modernization. Its ability to discriminate targets like anti-radiation missile carriers, helicopters, UAVs, and cruise missiles, combined with the PAC-3 MSE's hit-to-kill capability, provides robust protection against advanced threats. However, the system's high cost and reliance on U.S. supply chains for missiles and spares pose potential challenges, mitigated by Sweden's domestic production of complementary systems like the Giraffe 1X and LvS103 through Saab. The absence of plans for additional fire units suggests a strategic focus on optimizing existing assets, potentially through software upgrades or integration with other NATO systems. The reported interest in Israeli radars, though unconfirmed, hints at a possible future diversification of sensor capabilities to address emerging threats like hypersonic missiles, which could challenge the Patriot's detection range.